on that, so I just sold that. Just
Nice
sold it.
gain though. So,
Yeah, yeah. I had like 31%.
oh nice. Yeah, one of my buddies at work actually also got in charter as
Oh,
well. Made some money, so that's cool. Oh yeah, look at
well,
SPY here. 696. It's looking
yeah,
good. Pulling above the
yeah,
previous
about
high.
690.
That looks quite good. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I'm looking at. Yeah, we might be able to see a break with our. Although we have CPI this week, don't we? So maybe not.
Initially, those claims exist. See core CPI on Friday.
Although this kind of is breaking the high. No, we're kind of at resistance here.
Right?
Right at the lower high here, yeah. I think if we make a... this looks good. I think we'll see a new all-time high here. Soon, anyways. Q's is still kind of stuck in range, though. We haven't really broken out yet, really.
Right at resistance here.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have that resistance weekly gap. So we have
Yeah, we have the imbalance sitting above us here, so... That could be a nice target if we actually start to break some upside. Yeah, I guess I have a level here above 617. I'll probably look for 625. Or next first leg would be up to 622 and then 625. Looks quite good though.
Do you think is it good to buy Apex accounts?
Mm,
Because I wanted to add a more um, on it. I have 5 in total now, so I just wanted to add and just trade it like I have been doing it. So just wanted to make sure like how is Apex right now? So
yeah, you're asking the wrong person, Samir. I have no idea. I would assume they're fine. I don't see why not. I don't think they changed their rules at all, did they?
no, but they keep on changing the rules, right?
I don't
Like
know.
before. So I was like, Philip, do you still have Apex account?
yeah, yeah, yeah. They are evals though. I just bought 5. I don't buy
Oh,
out.
so do you
Yeah.
think it's worth to just take those accounts?
If
Uh,
if you have like 25 accounts, right? I don't think you really need a lot more.
uh-huh.
I wouldn't add 20 like that.
So
But
now I can buy the options, Alex.
Okay.
I have, yeah.
uh, but you know, everyone is different. I just
I have
didn't
never
find
got.
a good sale on any other prop that I didn't have, so that's why I bought on the 90%. They don't have 90% now.
Yeah.
I'm trading 6 MNQ on these, so they are trading higher size for me on the evil. But I don't really care about. They are just $19. I just added them just because I need to add something when I get the payout. So, but yeah, I probably shouldn't have even have added them. But like I say, it's hard to find good choices now on the firm spaces. I think no, I starting to dislike prop firms more and more. So that's not what they're doing.
Join the
Like,
dark side. Join the dark side.
you know, I have connected my personal account to the
Yeah,
prop.
no. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm saying
yeah.
everybody else.
Yeah, it was nice because it went from like 7K days to over 10K days, the winning days.
Mm-hmm.
But of course, it's gonna be the same on the losing day. But it's nice to see that 10K, 10K ish, or slightly above. Good days. But mm, yeah, I don't really see any firms I want to buy from right now at all. Honestly. They all made live accounts worse. They all made 80% instead of 90 on the profits.
Yeah,
Uh, yeah,
changed up
I'm,
quite a
I'm not.
bit.
Yeah.
The only 90% is with Lucid, right? Lucid and what do you call?
Verify.
Yeah, Tradify. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think those two are probably the best, but they both made the live super much worse. I mean, it's not even it's horrible live. But, yeah, I don't really like anything.
I saw on X platform yesterday that Michael Paddock from Top Step was saying is gonna be um, live mentioning about what the rumors has been going on with the
Mm.
top steps. So he said he's gonna clear that out.
I don't, yeah, I don't think it's anything wrong about what they do with the live. They just made the same changes that Tradify and Lucid. It's
Yep.
towards live. It's still better than those actually, but I think they uh, just going with the flow. You know, everyone is making it worse. It's I can kind of, you know, it's like it was too good before, and now everyone need to.
Yeah, I think people are
Yeah,
making too much money now from these
yeah.
prop firms, so they need to
Yeah.
start cutting back a little bit. I mean, it's their business; they can do whatever they want. So
Yeah.
I still like Nvidia for 200 here as well. I look, you want to grab some options. Option calls on Nvidia. Might be a little late. 188. It's not terrible actually. $10 move up to 200. I kind of like that. Maybe a bit risky though. It's kind of looking like a head and shoulders here. Inverse head and shoulders setting up. It's not the clearest looking one. It's kind of there though. I think we're seeing some nice buying. Yeah, this is like what attempt is this? This is for 200 here. Did not get to 200 here. 1, 2, 3. This is our fourth attempt probably. Trying to pull above this 194 area. Yeah, maybe I could grab like a month or two out. A month or two out for Nvidia 200 position. I think it could kind of work.
I agree that you were a bit too late, but I thought yesterday was.
Yeah.
No, but we tested the breakdown level gap up. Okay, yeah, it's hard to get those. We need to, yeah, go on the
Yeah,
pre-market.
yesterday was kind of nice. Yeah, yesterday's we
We,
could have
we,
taken
we gapped
yes.
up all the way on the break.
Yeah.
Higher.
I think that's okay though. I don't think it's a bad spot here. You're just taking the breakout here. Unless they get sold and you'll be back in range down to 188. So, maybe. Not sure. Not sure. Not sure.
I think it's possible to be aggressive and to go for the gap fill and 200, but that's
I might just take it off the open and just see what happens. Give it, just
Yeah.
buy some time with it, and hope the extra time pays off. That's a great sell on Microsoft yesterday, though. Super good sell. Yeah, because these are down to 16% now.
they kind of couldn't have made that better on the entry and the exit
Yeah,
part.
exit right at round 425, or close enough, but right into resistance there. Hey, our chart is at what, 250 now? Oh yeah, beautiful. 250 on charter. I wonder if it'll still continue to rip up. What did you sell at,
Yeah,
Phil?
No, let's not talk about that.
I didn't even know talk about that.
I sold it on the end of the day instead, and it went down a bit.
Oh, you sold what?
End of day.
Oh, end of day. Oh, like
Yeah, we sold
246, 245?
No, not that. But wait, I'm trying to see. 247 point.
Oh, that's literally my entry, my exit.
Is it?
It's fine. Yeah.
Did you get? Mm. Oh yeah. That's true. Maybe not end of the day, but it was late. Oh, I'm not sure.
CVX is going to be up again here today. 183. Still pulling the higher highs here. It looks good. We had a really nice entry on that, actually. A
This
decent
is the
entry.
only entry that's worse for me than you.
What, CVX?
Yep.
I have a better entry than you? Or you have a better entry than me?
No, you have a better entry.
Hmm.
It's the only thing you have better entry than. You had 166 or something like. No, 167.
Yeah, 167.
Yeah, 168.48. A PayPal, I have so much better entry than you. It doesn't
It doesn't matter at all. Yeah, this is right around 10% on charter. I want to take a picture of this chart. Chart's quite nice looking with this breakout. Little flag breakout.
Oh, it's gonna be fun in April. I'm gonna join your options place. Wait.
Join all of the options. Maybe you should just increase size on
Me?
your personal.
Yeah, I could do that. Could stick 100k or so into it.
Mm-hmm.
That's 15% of the total I get.
Maybe add like another 50k
50k, yeah. That's
into the
less than
account.
7%. Yeah.
Add another, what, 5 M&Q maybe?
Yeah.
Quite nice.
For one asset. We will see. But, I can't really do anything. So that my 27th percent gain at 224. That with the yield there also. I took every money I had when I sold, way too early at that 20% gain, super fast, like in 1 week, and then put it in yields. Not yields, but Swedish yields. Okay, 6 point something. Very bad choice. Blocked it because get better interest rate. That was a very bad choice. Do that with that much money again. I thought like, oh, I will not want to buy almost anything. Oh, no, and then I paid taxes, and I was like, yeah, no money left. And that was a good idea. Can't access it. Yeah. So, I could probably just juggle the top firm payouts, except the taxes
Mm-hmm.
to the personal instead, and just have that 800k to turn stuff or swings or something like that. With some, I don't know. It's hard. I don't know what really to do right now, but I don't have those accesses. Yeah, it's almost 2 months, so 2 months and 2 days left. So 13th of April, we lock up. Everything is gonna be at all-time high, and I don't want to do anything, so I just put it in yield again, and yeah, no problem. But Alex, you also have quite a lot of cash doing nothing right now, right? It's hard
Yep.
to find something.
That's why I've been taking a lot more options and shares.
Yeah.
We sold a good chunk. Not everything. We didn't sell everything, obviously, but you know,
Yeah, I kinda sold everything. pretty much.
only things
Oh,
that I have not sold and are still holding, even from way back when, is all of my Vanguard stuff, which is basically
yeah.
the same exact thing. But besides that, main like shares I've sold.
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't have any data now. 10-10 Kansas City Fed president if Smith speaks. That doesn't matter.
Mm. Okay. Anyways, 3 minutes here. And all their data today. Friday we have CPI. So that'll be our last catalyst for the week. CPI on Friday. I am surprised though that NFP got delayed. I thought it would have said it, but I guess not.
He is going for this liquidity here. 7k resistance.
Yeah, SPY already, or NQ already ran out liquidity here. 25,445, or whatever this is. Previous high day. The
And EST
hourly.
the
We
7k.
could have room up to 500 here, maybe, but this is kind of resistance right where we're at. Or if we clear here, we should, yeah, we should have a decent amount of room up. I think this is a pretty wide gap here. From like 500 to like 600 is a pretty wide gap. I think it's a straight shooter there. Although based on the 4 hour, we kind of closed above resistance here, so it's actually quite nice if you look. All right, so we had support right at 25,365, flipped into resistance, and now I guess no, we still have to back test that 365, but yeah, we did get a nice candle close above there. Although we did not clear the high above like 445, 450. So I guess we could still wait for that. Get a decent close above there. And look higher, but it doesn't look bad. I think a retest into 365 could possibly be nice for long. Alright, here's open.
You're still doing 35 stop.
Mm-hmm. I kind of like 35, I'm not gonna lie. I could tighten it, honestly. Mm-mm-mm. There's some nice buying here. I wanted to take my Nvidia position. Let me do that. I think this might be a little bit more risky of a position, just saying, with Nvidia, but I kind of like this up to 200 here still. So I kind of want to grab some shorter expiration dates. Hmm. Two. Yeah, I'll do these. 60.
14 people here. Right. 6, 8, 12.
Morning, morning, Philip.
Oranges.
Oranges. Alright, I got my NVIDIA position. I think it's a little bit higher risk here, so just a heads up. Because it's a little bit shorter expiration. I don't hate it. My fill was kind of bad on that.
Wow, Tesla is super strong here. By far the strongest if you UPS is that's 190. Wow. 0.6.
What is that?
UPS is at 190, almost 120.
Oh wow, nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, that was a nice buy. Really, really nice buy. Yes,
Yep.
I definitely could have held that a bit longer, but short-term target was nice.
yeah.
I took the February 27 200 calls. Yeah, you guys should have it. They're like 550 something right now. Yeah, I kind of had a bad entry on that. That's okay. Only a couple percent. So I think it's a little bit more higher risk just because shorter expiration, but overall still like NVIDIA up to 200 soon. The only reason I grabbed shorter expiration is because we're kind of at a breakout level right here. So if we pull up to above like 194, 195 area, it should be a straight push up to 200, I think.
You're gonna see this. Certain power, can I need it? Next. There's it. 227. Okay.
Still could get bought. We're holding view up right now. Selling a bit.
And you're loaded.
Should pull a view up here on NQ. Down at 26. We do have that imbalance from data. 830
260, right?
data.
Oh yeah, 260. But we filled the first 5-minute imbalance here at 345.
What did I say? What was that level I said earlier? The retest of that structure. Oh wait, no, this is it, right? 365. Yeah, this is it. Okay, cool.
Yeah,
So this is
then
a
we have
retest
that.
of that breakout. Yeah.
Yeah, and then we have that fill, like I said, on 260, which would be data fill also.
Mm.
This doesn't hold.
Yeah, I kind of would prefer that. A little bit more of a deeper draw and then possibly have it flip.
Now I don't see any line. See here.
No, we should pull for a view up here on NQ.
Could have potentially shorted at 460. It was very close to that retest.
460?
460 retest.
Oh no. That's right off the open for me. I don't know. I don't really like that. Oh, well, no,
Yeah,
that was kind of okay.
I mean, the sell down the retest. Not the sell. Yeah, it was.
Good.
It was 6 minutes after. Selling here, Max is selling quite a lot. Weaker. Bitcoin sells minus 2.25%.
I may get tagged at break even on these Microsoft calls.
But it didn't take anything. No, it didn't take all, right?
No, I took
Just-
most. I took most.
Yeah. Now holding this 5-minute balance.
Yeah, super close to view up there. 10 points. 10 points from view up.
I think shorts here wouldn't be too bad either from start from where we're at right now to view up is what 60 points, give or take. Actually, never mind. I take it back. It's not 60 points. I take it back.
All right. Yeah, we're getting some buying here. A little bit.
Yeah, Apple are buying.
It's actually kind of nice here. Kind of a nice spot, not gonna lie. Look for a
Okay,
recapture
if I-
above view up here.
Huh?
We'll look for a recapture above view up, possibly. Maybe look long, but let's see how it gets bought.
Maxet went in supply, but I'm not a fan of Nvidia here. But
I think the video's okay. 191 is support here.
let's go get at supply. Metal. Meta still a bit more room. Tesla. Meta's Max is selling.
On Microsoft down to 407. kind of like this, not gonna lie. Video bot.
Yep.
Remember, 364 is my level, and I said should be the retest, or 365. It's a level that should be a retest here, so. Video strong.
So these slightly going up more aggressiveness on the deep side. Slightly higher. 400 break. Fine. Some more guiding.
I don't know, that's really nice. Nvidia and Apple relative strength.
Yep.
That's funny. You didn't like Nvidia out of all of them.
Yeah, yeah. That's how it held very nice on that ability on 191.2.
Ah, I hesitated on my long there.
I don't think it was a hesitation. It was supposed to come down to VWAP. We have like 20 points before it tapped into.
No, I like the buy up. Once it started to get bought right at 60 or so, kind of like that
Yeah.
quite a lot, actually.
I feel the open pies and balance on ES too. Really open for.
Who knows? Maybe it gets sold though. Unless this is a retest. Seeing aggressive selling there though.
Same on the CBD. I think the 370 to that imbalance field open price against was good. So it was almost 50 points. It was 50-50 if we were gonna see the up or not for that.
Hmm. Might be a range here, 5-minute range. If this gets sold, we'll probably see that low again, probably a new low of day and continue to range. Small 5-minute structure, unless it sets up in a flag and breaks down. We'll probably look for that imbalance fill, but not really seeing a lot of weakness at all from any tickers right now, so.
for higher, I think. No. Could be wrong from the react. So then,
Two minutes till it's close here.
yeah, I don't see any strength on the Nasdaq contract, so it's the only thing, yeah, not the same as yesterday. Just good confirmation of what happened.
Can't really hear you like that, Philip.
Sorry?
I was saying I couldn't really hear you like that.
Oh, did I mumble?
Yeah, I think you're mumbling. I don't know if you're mumbling or if your mic is far. I can't tell.
Oh, no. I don't know. I said I don't see the same strength in CVD like yesterday here overall. And then before then I said I still like higher, but I don't see the strength.
If
Don't
tickers
tweet.
get bought here, then it should get produce a pop with
Yeah, like
relative strength we
Google,
already have.
Microsoft, Meta, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they could start pick up. That's why I like higher also. Go for that overnight high, but I'm not seeing the strength on the CBD like yesterday, which gives higher confirmation. But some days you don't get that.
Mm-hmm. Getting some more selling here.
Looks like an H pattern now. Me. Or maybe. No, maybe not.
Kind of just a flag.
Was on 2 minutes. It was like an H. See if it's sold right there.
Broke the 1 minute structure a little bit. Still holding range though, but tickers are still pulling a bit lower. Microsoft I should still have room lower. Apple still looks good though. Nvidia's still holding up nicely. Any thoughts? Anybody? Anybody have any thoughts?
Honestly, I'm looking for that VWAP retest that you were calling out earlier, but I feel like if it goes anything lower than that, I don't think we're gonna get that big buy up that you're hoping for.
No, probably not. I think we'll probably flush that. Go for the imbalance below if we'd see view up, I think.
It's getting to the point for me where I kind of want us to leave this range before I want to take something. Low nasty.
I mean, playing the range doesn't look bad either. Longing off.
Yeah, this would be your long spot here if you were to look long. Would stop as the new low of day. 30
That's
points
it.
or so. But based
this
on
is more
tickers
like
right
a
now,
sell
yeah,
here,
it
so-
looks like we're gonna sell this a bit.
So we could also
Yes,
short off
very
of it.
close to view up there.
From right here, from where we're at right now to VWAP is like 40 points or so, and if we get that, if we come in low, we're probably gonna flush anyway for the imbalance down below. So I'm 50-50 on it, honestly. Really iffy.
I think we're seeing a little bit more weakness with SPY today. So what I'm kind of thinking is if keys or SPY sells, maybe goes for or runs the liquidity at least on the left, or maybe some of this imbalance, that'll take keys down to the lower end of the range and then view up, possibly run that liquidity as well. right at 614 and then have it continue to hold and then ticker start to flip a bit maybe. Because as of right now, I'm not really seeing a lot of selling pressure. Tickers are still relatively strong. Well, Apple's strong anyways. But nothing's really looking extremely, extremely weak right now. Very nice. Thank you for sharing your ideas. Thank you for sharing. See, it's good to talk about different ideas, get different perspectives of how we're seeing this right now. I think overall we're kind of in the same boat.
Makes sense. We all learned from Master Alex.
But no, on a bigger structure, you would like to see this hold, as this would be the retest of that break right around here. Doesn't mean we can't pull a little bit deeper and then get bought on a bigger time frame, but this would be probably the spot you would like to see hold, I'd say. I have resistance here at 277 on Apple. Range still holding on Qs here as well. Nothing got lost just yet. If Apple actually starts to reject and get a little bit of a retest, that might be enough momentum to actually pull this a bit lower. Which it kinda is. That's what it's looking like right now, yeah.
Some weakness on CVD.
Yeah. SPY selling this here. We just ran liquidity from the left. We're going for some of this imbalance fill. Q's is still holding range, like I said. I think this idea is still possibly in play here. SPY sells, Q stills. Pulls a bit lower, but goes into the lower end of the range. Maybe tags VWAP. Gets bought. Microsoft pulled into support for me. 406. There's VWAP tap right there on NQ. 38.
If we were positive here, I would have short here when I said weakness. Like 300 at least.
There it goes.
Yeah, just yeah, just taking it. Point.
I definitely missed my entry right there.
Yeah, we were all pretty like cognizant to not enter.
Yeah, we did fill half of that imbalance from data.
No, not half. Half is 283. No, yes, if you want. 280 supply first. 760. So this shows it.
Yeah, I cannot really hear you, Philip. John.
Oh, really? Wow.
Oh, there we go. Now I can hear you.
Yeah, but now I'm like, screaming.
Oh, really? Oh,
Okay.
maybe you need to turn up your mic sensitivity or something. I don't know.
Yeah, just change it to a better one. I said I don't see any strength here at all for now.
Yeah, no,
It's-
not yet. No.
No.
Yeah, we should pull this imbalance, I think.
Did you hear me said I like this short down to 300 and at 365? So we just went 4 seconds later, went right to 300.
It's kind of my GP long here as well. Or at least what Carlos said the same thing. GP long. Still not really seeing anything just yet, but
I need to stop looking at PayPal. Oh my god, it's so bad.
stop looking, Philip. I'm in it as well. Don't worry.
Yeah.
We're in it together.
Oh, I have done that a lot of times. Take a position, it's down 25% instead. Can't count how many times I've done that.
I kind of want Apple to pull down the view up here, and then that'll kind of be the retest. But this is kind of still a higher low here on Apple. Tickers are still at support for me as well. We didn't really lose anything. We could just be stuck in range here still. At least on Nvidia.
On the daily, this could be the range for H setup if you want to see more downside later. The daily.
On
Don't see a
daily.
break tomorrow, yeah. Don't
Oh
see a
yeah,
break
yeah.
Just range here and lose or gain direction. Both are possible. Seeing some bias left behind.
Yeah, PayPal hurts, but at the end of the day, Charter made up for PayPal. At least for me anyways, because it was a have equal sizing across the board, so
I'm gonna do that. Oh, it's almost no money at all. Wait. Some cases. Total size.
getting some kind of real selling here actually.
It looks like we're going for that. If we lose this 300, we should go for that.
Imbalance,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
I don't think that. See some flight tickets.
Nicely done, Hugo.
Pretty short.
Yeah.
I went long on accident. I misclicked. I went to go use the bathroom. Like I went to go stand up, use the bathroom, and I looked away, stood up, and it went down. That hurt my soul, actually.
You ever stop loss?
No, I never got to place one.
Mm.
I ran like I literally I stood like I placed it, and I went to go stand up. And then yeah, unfortunate. It's fine.
Should always have your bracket set up.
Yeah,
It's
my bracket
fine.
doesn't work.
I'll never stress it.
I don't know why. It's just not work. So I don't have a bracket. But I just place to stop and I'm like, Alex, where are you stopping? Like 35 points. And I was like, wait, where's the entry? I have not typed it yet. And I like
Well, I always
trying
say
to
what my
calculate.
entry is. I always say what my entry is.
Yeah, I'm reading, so then I don't even hear that. I'm gonna put in the market and I'm like, wait, what? What was it? You know, looking at the orders, looking at the CD, looking at the tickers. Yeah.
Spy filled imbalance there. Liquidity at the lows. Spy has support. 78.6 GP hold here. Coming into the imbalance here. Remember, we don't have to fill it. I want to keep that in mind. We don't always have to fill the imbalance. So support here, 70. Around the lows. Okay, I'm long. At 91. It's kind of a bad entry. It's okay, I guess.
So we have 60.
56. I kind of wanted an 80 entry there. Oh well. Yeah, I don't like that. I kind of wanted an 80 entry there. I thought that was like at least like 87 or so, but guess not. Might actually get tagged here. I think we did fill the imbalance, right?
No, no.
Oh, really
It's
close,
filled.
right?
It's filled at 57.
57. Yeah, really close. Really close.
The affiliation by yourself.
What's your stop loss?
56.
56? Are you running 40 points?
35.
Jesus. Okay.
It's a little bit bigger than what we would normally run, but it's only 5-point difference. Might have been a bit early on this.
Now we're getting this fill here. Yeah, this filled.
Did it fill? It did fill.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah, I got tagged by the way. 56.
Yeah, Google continues selling you with Tesla on Microsoft. Yeah. I didn't see this shit. So that's up here, but so.
I was hoping the hourly candle would get bought there. I mean, I guess it still has time to get bought, but yeah, maybe
we
it's a
don't-
failed breakout then on the hourly. That's kind of what it looks like. Although, it still has time. We'll see how this 11 a.m. candle closes, but
This is gap fill on 200 points. Market opening price. Almost here, like 10 points from to 280 to 90. Maybe.
yeah, I guess either way I would have gone tagged. Even if I had a better entry. I think I was a
think
bit early on that.
Almost 40 points there. Right? Seems like a bit low.
I really cannot hear you, Philip.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna try to fix that until tomorrow.
Hello?
Yep.
Alright, I had to switch to my phone.
Back at the lower end of the range here on the hourly. From that flag that we kind of broke out of.
Hello?
Yep. Hello.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Previous low of day here. Overnight low. Previous low of day here on SPY as well.
For me, it looked like a failed breakout on the 4, and we actually selling this.
Yeah, I think
I don't
that's
see any
what I said, yeah.
strength now. Yeah.
Have support here on keys. It's overnight low. Yeah, overnight low on keys here. 150. liquidity right here as well. Right at 146. May make one more attempt here off this area. We just ran liquidity. That kind of got bought fast.
Yeah.
So I should still have time.
Based on how the chart's looking, it kinda looks like it's possible to deep sell today with the wicks here. Just gonna say
Yeah.
that. It's the liquidity on the overnight low though. Produced a
Yeah, this could still maybe hold range depending on how we close an hourly candle, but yeah, this would have to be the spot to get held based on the range here. Otherwise, this would, I mean, that kind of already invalidates the breakout there because we're back inside
yeah.
range. But yeah, we're back on the lower end of support here. But yeah, if we actually got below here, we'd probably look for like 25k actually. Another 200 points lower or something like that. Yep, yep. Continuing to sell this here.
Apple holding up here, but
And looking at the
Actually-
hourly, we should have room down to like 85 here, I think. 90. And around 100 psych. Not really seeing any real support here. Besides how this candle is potentially gonna close, but
Yeah.
yeah, based on tickers here, it looks not good. Not good. Not good.
Except Apple.
Yeah, except Apple.
Yep.
Although Nvidia's at support here. I have a level at 189. Haven't really moved at all yet, but I don't know, based on Google and Microsoft still. That doesn't look great.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm kind of looking for like 25,066 or 40 area.
Would almost rather short this overall. But
Really?
yeah, overall, but yeah, this is too deep for me.
Yeah, too low for
200,
me.
yeah, 211 retest.
Nvidia's at support here. Just trying to get some buying here, actually.
Yeah. So
But not really seeing anything else with other tickers just yet. Yeah, Meta sold pretty deep here as well. Just about everything sold pretty deep, actually.
yeah, I don't see the bullish case except a little short squeeze or a backtest long.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I said I'd rather short. But we're just not at this location, of course.
Yeah, it's unfortunate. It looked like a nice breakout, though, on the hourly initially.
Yeah, I agree. It looked really like it also. Then we had no real buying on the CUD and
No.
just,
Yeah, no tickers got any buying, basically, there.
yeah.
So yeah, in case you guys care about this, my my algo went long earlier this morning and got stopped with a pretty big loss, and then it went short
Mm-hmm.
at 188 ish, and then exited at 134 133 ish around there. And so that was good. Except I was annoyed because the algo took 4 losses recently, and so after the first loss today, I stopped it, and then I moved that account to trade with you guys, and I took that loss too. So anyways, it's not really important. I guess the main thing is I'm letting you know that what happened, I guess, with a losing long but a winning short.
Mm-hmm.
If you guys
Yeah, I didn't know you had
wanted to keep
algos.
track of that. Yeah, I have algos trading some accounts, including my cash account, which is maybe I shouldn't do that. Maybe I should move the cash account to trade with Alex.
I think you should trade your cash count at all. I'm just gonna say that. Right now, at least. Brian, do you remember what I said to you yesterday? If you let the algo trade, you should never interrupt it, because then you take the
Yeah.
edge away, and then you
Right.
either run it and don't even look at that account, or you don't run it.
Right. I didn't interrupt the trade. I
Okay.
didn't stop the trade halfway through. I just stopped the algo and then traded it with Alex instead.
Yeah,
Which
that's the same thing. If you stop the algo, you should run
Right.
it or not. You should not
Okay.
fiddle with it.
It becomes a run. It becomes a type 2 error.
Okay. Yeah, I understand type 2 errors. Okay.
You don't want to have any human interaction with algos if you're gonna run them, because then the edge is gonna disappear. So that's why you just either you let it run and you have good place for drawdown and good times over the year, or you don't run it. It's
Still waiting for this to pull a bit lower. What are we at? 0.5% right now? Oh, it's not that bad actually.
but we were up. Yeah, we're down for almost 400 points. I think 350.
Oh wait, were we up? Right, we were up, or no? From the close.
Yeah, 200 points on the open.
Oh, so we're up we were up 0.5% too then. So far down
Uh,
-1%.
Yeah, 7.73, I think.
Yeah. So 1% from the highs then.
Yeah, 1.3%. 1.2.5. So some buying there at the 75.
Yeah, a little bit. I do have a level here on Spy. Yeah, all my levels kind of got ran through, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
They did react off of them a little bit, but no, we just kind of ran through them.
I really like the upside the potential pre-market, but now I just think this is a bounce to sell. 4 hour. Still possible, I guess, to on this, but
Apple's actually holding up pretty nicely here.
yeah, it looks really good, Apple.
Mm-hmm.
I think we still could back this 150 here or 200 here.
Yeah, I'd agree. I think it.
That's not-
I still want this a bit lower though. Although it's not bad if we actually start seeing some buying from tickers here, but
Overall, yeah, I like lower today based on VIX here and the charts, but sometimes I'm wrong with that, so and I'm trying to speak higher.
tickers are buying up a little bit here, right?
Yeah, I like that. 25. We retested again. Like I said, I think we see 150 here. At least. Do you have your stop on Nvidia, or you just gonna let them run if it?
Nvidia, I probably wouldn't want to see it below like 187. I think I forget the exact level. If it's below a
Yeah.
certain level though,
Yeah.
my stop would be. Getting a little bit of buying here. Nothing major just yet, at least for me, to take anything. I think this is a pop to short, I'm not gonna lie.
Yep.
Though maybe I'm completely wrong.
Sometimes we are wrong there. That's why we have a stop. Apple are really nice VWAP longs. It's yeah, it's really different.
Yeah, relative strength for the day for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're kind of getting some buying here. $100 retest site or 100 site retest there. We would probably look long in the overnight low here.
Overnight low is 146. That's why I said I like 150.
Yes, I mean, yeah,
Imbalance field right.
that's probably what we'll look for there for this long. Not enough points though for me to long this here. Up to that, because I do like that as a potential target, but I think it's pretty likely we'll get there.
No, we kind of already there, very
Yeah.
close. Yeah. I liked it from the 70, 780 area.
I'm long from 89.
Nice.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, we hit 151 here.
Yeah, overnight low there.
So some quite a lot of buy on the CVD on the Nasdaq contracts there actually. Overall, that's 57 bottom.
Early candle actually still has some time to close. I wonder if it could actually still reclaim above 200 here.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe I did miss the long. Some selling there.
Selling. Yeah, sorry, what did you say?
No, I said they were getting some selling there.
Yeah, yeah, on the overnight loader.
Yep. I guess it was right. Pop the short.
Yeah.
Let's see though. It's getting bought a little bit. Video getting some real buying here. Looks like it should have room. Breaking back above 189 here.
Yeah, next target is 207 above P-load here.
Mm-hmm. It's a wide range. Wide range. some decent buying there actually.
That dip might have been the chance to get in. The dip to 111 or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, more so like 50-50 here, not gonna lie.
Yeah, like it could sell off here. So. Or a bit higher, maybe even. That's
I think
definitely a scenario.
I think 180 to 200 is logical here. Then you would see if that's gonna
Yeah.
be a deep to sell or not. We're gonna reclaim that. We're probably gonna reclaim the hourly pattern and see. Price higher.
Yeah, that 110 dip was sweet.
I didn't like that dip. I liked the first one though.
Yeah, I like the
Nine
first. I
four
didn't
dip.
really like the second one because that was off the
'Cause
rejection. Overnight high.
on the overnight low.
Or
Yeah,
overnight low.
overnight low. Yeah. Same.
I did like
CVD
the buy
going
up
up
though.
on
The
the
buy
NAS.
up there actually at
Yeah.
60 was actually quite nice to long.
Yeah, put the break above overnight low and go for that 200.
Yeah, I
180.
just think the points is a little low for me to be long here. Not really sure what targets would be besides like previous low of day there. Yeah, look at the hourly. It's getting a really nice buy up here. Yeah, that level on SPY was pretty spot on. I guess that did
Yeah.
work. 689.
This would be the place to short 180, 180, 190 if you wanted to see this sell. Think based on the structure. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of tickers here for sell more though, but
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm
it will be.
thinking of as well. Like Nvidia got a pretty nice pop there. I'm
Mhm.
honestly still thinking that this hourly structure could close inside of its range still.
Mm.
If we still hold.
Yeah, selling here on the CVD. Yeah. 155 back test. We lose that. Probably lose overnight low. If not, we're gonna see this pop one more high.
Should get 200 here, I think.
Yeah, as long as they hold that 55, it should tap 209 here.
Oof. Yeah, it should go here.
Yeah, CVD going up here also. Here's the P load. 209. 27, but so this was the area I wanted to short, but I'm not seeing the selling pressure and the weakness I want to see. So that makes it a lot harder to sell this pop here. I see higher lows, higher highs on the CVD on the Nasdaq ones here, which is not what you want to see for lower.
Yeah, I think this could. I think this is probably gonna close back inside a range here. At least that's
We
what
see
I'd
it
like to
just
see, anyways. But
ES still looks so overnight low P load reaction here still.
hmm. Just a long work day today.
Yeah, no climbing for Philip today.
Ugh.
Kinda want to short this based on ES here.
I'm kind of looking at it like I feel like they could maybe set up in an age setup here with some tickers,
Yeah, you see on the
right?
ES, yeah. VIX going higher here.
Feeling a 5-minute
good.
imbalance here.
Yeah. Build a 5 on the overnight low there.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at here. I kind of want to see if this is gonna hold here or not.
I still like the H pattern here. But just it's overnight low here. So I wanted to be short at the 200, like I said before. This is typically target 1, and then you target the hundreds or even unload.
I say you take it, I'll take it, Philip. I don't know here.
Oh no! I said before, right? I want to see the P-Lod if overnight low doesn't react, and then I would want to short there. Not, I think the P-Lod to overnight low is the most good short. This could still hold here, and we reclaim P-Lod.
Yeah, it
And
looks like
yeah,
it.
yeah, I see a lot of buying there on CVD also, actually.
Wow, that was really fast.
Yeah.
Kind of setting up in a flag here. In a 5-minute.
Yep. No, we didn't short hitch. We didn't short anything. DVD is quite strong here, making a lower, higher low with price.
Yeah, it looks kind of good here. Get bought.
Yeah. Ah, irritating. Da, 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 da. For me, this push kinda invalidates the downside now.
Mm-hmm.
From that case I had, I think. Let's see.
I think the hourly close is gonna close strong here.
Yeah.
Continue to hold inside range. That 88 on Nvidia is actually the entry I wanted for my options long. 88, 89 area.
Yeah, CVD is going higher here. Oh damn, we missed that move. I don't think I could bought the overnight low there.
I kind of liked
No.
it. I kind of liked the buy there. Maybe I just call it a day.
But you don't feel bad, Alex, right?
Me?
Yeah, I feel super fine.
Yeah, I feel fine.
Yeah.
I kind of sad I missed the long, so I'm not gonna lie.
Even being down, how much I'm being, even being down 700 right now, I think I'm still cool. Like I'm not FOMOing or anything. Like I can call it a day if I ever wanted to.
I actually really did not mind that long at all, right at that overnight high retest. That actually probably was the only long opportunity for me that I seen right there.
Yeah.
A long retest.
Yeah. I think that makes sense. The short I wanted was from P-Lod to overnight low, right? So
Mm.
that would be the higher low, and then you would then go higher or lower. That just went so fast when that was up. Honestly, that was probably a very good indication to buy that,
Yeah.
even at 180s there.
Yeah, I was looking at that. Even on the
Um,
1 minute, it looks like going to break the highs there. Aggressive buying there at 180. You look to target. Yeah, basically previous high of day 200 again, but it looks good for a absolute run above there, which we kind of got.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get this hourly close here in this 5 minutes.
I am surprised that we didn't see any buying on that data high low there with EOS and Nasdaq. That we
Yeah.
didn't see a first bounce there, even if that got sold.
I actually really like my long area there. Spot that I took.
Yeah, I didn't dislike that trade either. I just didn't see any buyers on the CVD either, but I mean, if it's just gonna bounce, it was fine for like 60 points.
Yeah. But I mean, that's technically a typical retail entry for long if you were to take the retest. Right. 300
Yeah.
psych there is kind of a typical retail trader entry there. I guess they want the dry price a little lower. Run all the
Stop.
liquidity. Alright, kind of make it look like a failed breakout. Run liquidity at 150.
Yeah, that's nasty, bro. That's nasty. Yeah, they changed my mind, right? I liked lower then, but I mean, I like that. I liked where I said I like to short, not like I like to short because we are going down. I like to short the P-Lod or potentially the owner at low if it reacts. And
Mhm.
yeah, so it was still good places to wanted to sell short that market. I think we have opportunities here though, still. But if you want to take the day, you could all
I think
take the day.
I think there's still opportunity here as well. I think I want
Mm.
this to develop a little bit longer, so I'm not sure how long it's gonna take. I don't really want a long right here.
No,
I do
VWAP
like those.
reaction to P-Lod could be interesting, I guess. I think.
Yeah,
Possibly.
I think that's an idea. Yeah, it's possible, but I kind of still want to only be really looking longs here. I think, based on how this is gonna close. I mean, it still could get sold, but we'll see.
I think it's because I'm muffled, but I said you would react VWAP here into P-Lod, and then you would buy the long on P-Lod. Kinda. But we could also react VWAP here. Because this is filled on the imbalance. So it's still possible to react here, I think. I actually see some slight weakness on CD here. Would be the no, I can't take that. I think just too high probability to get stopped based on tickers here. Oh. Maybe not. 250 points. Then you see it going higher. Yeah.
I'm getting to a point where I think I'm just gonna short and I'm gonna leave. And just gonna short and then go do something else.
No, 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 no. Don't do that. This could be actually be a lot of upside over the day if we. This short case here on VWAP is just to the 200 retest on that structure, or possibly Pilod. I think for me. But I think this looks strong here. I don't think we're gonna probably gonna flag here and break
Yep.
high.
That's what I'm thinking here. I feel like we could actually retest up to 300 here again. If we get some real buying anyways. But it kind of looks like that. Nvidia actually recovered quite a bit. Recaptured above VWAP. If that actually gets some momentum, maybe flags above VWAP, breaks out back up towards overnight high, previous hive day, and then maybe even new hive day.
I think you're a bit biased long, Alex, overall.
Maybe a little bit.
Yeah, well,
I mean, on a bigger time
long
frame, I still
calls
like it
on
long.
Nvidia. Yeah. But you see the short case also, right? To
I see the short case, yeah.
Yeah.
But
Back test or high low. Kinda. But this 1 minute flag could also hold here, and you don't see that. But we filled in balance. Tapped into VWAP. Could be new shorts coming in. Also.
Yeah, if we wanted, if we wanted to create a higher low here, yeah, it would be down to previous low of day here, long.
No. I think EOS looks strong here for one push more to VWAP though, even if EOS Nasdaq. But I don't like Microsoft here. But the rest of ticket looks fine.
I should only be down 200 today. I'm down 7.
Oh.
The market just knew I was doing too good. Too many green days.
No,
back
no,
to
no,
back.
it's fine. Just reset and do good trading, and you will be back.
Too many green days back to back.
I'd say you probably should call, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, no, I definitely am.
Okay, good. Because I think that's well above your daily loss limit, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, my daily is 4.
Yeah.
But no risk, no Ferrari.
No risk, no Rari, indeed.
But I can't get a Ferrari if my account's blank, so I think I'm gonna call it a day.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, we've seen some selling here on the CVD here.
Yeah, we should get some retesting here. After that nice pull. Fill some of this imbalance. We're filling the 5-minute imbalance here.
This could still be or lower overall. ES could flag on the 5 here, right? Go lower than that, and then we actually see lower price. I don't think it's 100% we're gonna see higher here. Based on the hourly structure, we closed right at supply, trying to sell it again. Yeah, I could still sell here for me.
Mhm.
I'd probably prefer sells if we actually go back below that range. What is that? Yeah, basically back below 200 there. More like 180, I guess. 180, 200 area.
I have a short from 260, but I have scalps also, so you know, it's
Yeah,
not
look
like I
good
took
here.
2 trades.
CVD is
Philip,
going down here.
Why'd you talk me out of taking a short and leaving Philip? Oh my god.
Wait, what? Did I?
You talked me out of taking this short. You said don't do that. It has upside. It's not gonna go down. And it
No,
shot
no, no,
down.
no, no. No. I said if we react VWAP here, we're gonna see 200, which will be your target. You would not sit in that position all day. 200. We went to 200, bro.
I'm gonna lose, man. I'm done. I'm
That
done
is
for the
true.
decade.
We don't
No.
take a trade and just leave and don't look at it and just
Yeah,
gamble.
I mean, you
I-
can if
I
you
s-
if you put a stop loss and leave. I mean, you can do it.
yeah. But I said the value. I said that it was a short to 200.
Yeah,
So
but you
you
shouldn't
say
have
like,
to.
no,
You should you shouldn't have to defend your position.
I do. Ah!
Man, it's a trade, whatever.
I'm gonna be on 2 contracts for the rest of the week.
Man, it's
Yeah,
fine. Like
probably half the
I'm
week.
short from
2 minutes.
260, so it's gonna go back up and tag me out. You know, it's fine.
Oh shit! I just realized I started my new job on Monday. So how the fuck am I gonna trade for the next month?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be
I
in
thought you said you
quitting
start at
trading.
11.
Yeah, so I start at 11 after the training. The training time is from 4 to 8 or 8 to 4.
Oh, well, so we'll see you in the
Start-
next life.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have an
You're right.
AirPod. I'm gonna take a position.
You have
I'm gonna
to
wish
find a
it.
way to fit trading around your schedule, whatever it is.
So yeah, when after the month, I'll be working from home.
Yeah,
Oh, you train for a month?
Okay,
Wow,
so
that's a long time.
so just chill for that month then. That's fine.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Chill for an entire month. No trading for an entire. That's my whole personality.
No,
Oh my God.
no. Remember, you need to take 1 or 2 or 3 trades overall. I think this gonna go potentially lower here. This is the retest though. We want
Yeah,
to
this
see
is
my
the
buyers
retest
here.
one.
Oh, sorry. I didn't think that would be.
Yeah, here's the retest. I mean, it could hold here as well.
Yeah.
Mm.
So if I stopped reading and just shorted the 270 to 200, and then bought the long on the payload when we talked about it, and yeah. If I just shut up
I
and
actually
trade.
take this here.
Like this is quite like it, but my short looks like picture perfect. Not that often that happens. But I also don't think I'm not entirely sure it will be that I can keep holding it. I don't know.
Did you want to long here? I think there's potential to sell, Alex.
I'm not sure
Also.
Yeah,
here.
it looks
Flagged on ES. I think it's Microsoft's gonna go for Nlod here. I think Tesla and Google and Nvidia could actually sell here.
looks so undecided.
Yeah, we just gonna
I don't
gonna
have enough
rip.
screens to have all these Mag 7 stocks on. I need another screen for that.
All right, Philip. So what we'll do here, I'll go long, and then you go short, and that way one of us will make money.
Yeah, exactly. Why don't you just do that? That's fine. Would be kind of funny.
And I
then,
took payout. My drawdown is little now. I
is
took a
it
payout.
is it
Yeah.
is it Team Philip or Team Alex? Who wins?
Team Philip! It's selling! We know it! Yeah, under the payload. Here we go. 160. Come to daddy. I don't see any buying pressure here. Come on. Don't show the buying pressure.
So since you are on the shore, so how long do I hold this for?
I think at least 2 years. We're gonna see 150 on QQQ again.
Yeah. Unfortunately, they're gonna stop me out at the end of the day.
No. You're gonna call them and say that they can't.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, I think like this is already a bit much for me, to be honest.
All right, that's
60
my
points.
retest long. I'm in.
you're long?
Fuck.
I am in. Sorry, I'm gonna stick with my idea here. I
You are
might be
long?
wrong. Yeah, I am. So I guess it's
Okay.
me against
Where's he
Nordic.
gonna have you stop?
Philip
We're
is
gonna
gonna
have
have
your
to stop your
35.
entry soon in like.
It's at 59. It's off the retest, so 5 and a higher low possibly here. I'm kind of looking at.
Yeah, no, I'm not holding this any longer. Fuck that.
No, no, I think it makes very, very good case to take the 200.
Yeah.
Oh, so your entry is like 80, 88 then?
No,
Because did you say
94.
50? Oh,
94.
and your stop
Fuck.
is 59. Did you say that?
Mm-hmm.
59. Yeah, my math is impossible. I'm
You're funny,
so
Philip.
stupid.
I exited
don't-
around 200.
I don't
actually.
I don't
Okay.
get how other people
Oh, damn.
calculate that.
Maybe it could have been held longer, but fuck it.
Yeah,
Kind of got to
we're
close
not being
below.
directly buying
lot.
right now. Yeah, yeah.
Not sure if I like that. We'll see. We shall see. This will be the last one of today, anyways.
CFD is a 0 here on Nasdaq. It needs to buy here at 180.
I like
Or
Nvidia
we,
here, mainly, to be honest. I kind of want that to flag. View up. Maybe all the tickers, maybe not be the biggest fan, but I kind of want to see the structure get respected here on the 5. Like I said,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do like that
Oh, yeah.
hourly candle
Oh, yeah.
close, so.
Yeah.
This
you
will be
kind of
just
need to
a
win
retest.
now, because Alex, I'm not taking 2 losses and no climbing. Then I'm
Oh,
gonna
yes.
fly to you.
Yeah, I can't
Oh,
take two
yeah.
losses, man.
30 points, 30 points,
Hello.
40 points. then.
Yeah, this
Boom.
is. You guys should be taking some off here. I would
Yeah.
most definitely say so.
Did you take
Boom.
some off?
I did not.
Do as I say, not as I do.
Right. Do as I say, not as I do.
Picture
I
right
always
there.
say that.
You
That
always
was
just take
40
a trade
points,
against-
though.
Yeah, I know, but it's like.
Yeah, that was good.
That was right to the imbalance field.
Yep. 1 minute
That's right.
balance.
There's something about that as well. If you get points that fast, you it's nice to take off,
Yeah.
take
I'm
something
just
off.
getting
Yeah.
too distracted by Philip.
No, I didn't take anything off either. Now it's selling.
Bro,
I took something.
No.
I took something. I have
good.
the
At least someone is smart. Good.
I have the magnets. I have my music playing.
Don't worry, we're gonna flip green on the day with this one.
Nah,
We're gonna get 100
I-
plus points. Back up to 300. Up to
I
300.
hope so.
No, he's like that. Alex is crazy now. He just has diamond fingers.
Diamond fingers.
No,
Manifesting.
no. When we do that,
Okay.
we're up 60 points and it's flush. Did you take something?
I took some right there, yeah. Sorry, I had to. I actually had to there. I want to
Yeah,
make back at
that's-
least
that's smart.
something.
Yeah,
I don't want
Yeah,
a paper hand.
I
but
had
I'm
a
not gonna lie.
37 fill there. It's not bad.
it's
I don't know how
good.
many points that is.
I took the short.
I
To
think we
60.
could set stops a lot higher here. I'm gonna be honest.
Okay, go ahead.
I think 7 to 8 stop is by far of fine here.
But I mean, when you're up this much, don't you move your stop? Do you guys like keep it at the same?
Depends on the setup.
I
I only
move when
close
I'm
one.
up like this. When I'm up like this, I always move the stop.
I closed 1/3, by the way. I didn't actually close
Oh.
half, so
Oh,
we could probably put stop as new low, right? 79.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have 79. I don't know why you don't have
All right.
79.
All right. Let's do stop
Yeah.
loss to 79.
Because do you want to see
That was
ES
weird.
going below P-load and overnight low here? Right?
Yeah,
Then
Nah,
the
like-
P-load.
My trades are always like that. I put them behind the structure that I don't think is gonna get hit. So
Yeah,
it's
and I
it's
took
181. My stop.
Scaled more there.
Okay, so I took
Sweet.
3/4,
Sweet.
and I took it on that red candle. Oh my god. I'm gonna go and hit something. I traded that so bad. Oh. Oh, I'm still red on the day because my entry was bad also. Yeah.
Oh my god.
That was, yeah. On CVD, it's awesome because I'm
Yeah.
slower there. I had super good feel, and my
Oh my God.
first stream was just 43. Yeah. So I'm up over
So much
20
rage.
points. Yeah. I'm up over 20
Yeah.
points on the CFD, and I'm not up anything on the other one. And CFD is going up here, so I'm just
Nah,
I'm
feel the
just
pain.
yeah, I'm just gonna quit that one and just look at the CVD one.
Yeah.
So
What's
did
your
really
target,
good there.
Alex?
Stop loss to break even. Don't let this
I
flip.
Oh yeah, I
I'm
can't
like-
break even. I'm not gonna allow this.
No,
No,
you could go for the higher. You could go for the higher. Stop.
300!
I still have my stop at 181. I'm just sending it.
I have the magnets. I have all my flags up. I have my music.
Whatever.
Yeah, put the magnets up, guys. Put the magnets. Magnets. This is actually a good target. I will say this is view up.
Yeah.
But
this is a
I
good
will say
target.
this is the 5-minute higher low.
But,
So if we flag here, we should see a break above view up to 300 and
yeah.
maybe
But
higher.
the only thing is like one should think of that. Like if you're here, like at right now where price is, you should be able to take like half of this move in drawdown and still be fine with it. Like if you want it to move higher, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Like that's why so many times I just exit, because I don't want to sit through half the way down again and then go up higher. But
I'm
you
so
know,
heated. I could be up so much if I didn't take that stupid ass position and leave. Oh my god.
We got a
No,
5-minute
don't
candle
think
close.
like that. Yeah, don't think like that. Don't think like that. I'm also mad, and you need to scream a bit like I did there. Get that angry thing out, or you take a flight
we
to
go.
Sweden
Here comes
and you
Sandeep.
hunt me down with a machete, and
Yeah.
I run. Yeah,
I can give you his address. It's fine. So.
yeah.
Sweden, you know.
I know where you live. No, I don't know where you live.
No, but it's
We met outside. I know.
quite simple
Yeah.
for you to find out
Yeah.
where I live.
Yeah. Maybe I need to kill 10,000 people at your quarter before I find you, but that's also fine.
Yeah, if it was America, it's probably like that. It's harder to find people in America, right? You can't just find someone.
Why would we know the answer to that?
We have to find people. We got the white pages.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because in Sweden you can like look up everything. Everything is like
Yeah.
public record.
Yeah.
Really? That's ridiculous.
You can just like, how much money do Philip make? Oh, I could do
To be
that.
honest,
Where's his
they-
phone number? And you could
You
Yeah.
harass
cannot
me.
let that be a thing in America. That no.
Yeah.
No,
we
but
have something like that. We have white pages.
yeah, but it's like it's this way here in Sweden for a reason. It's like built on that principle about everything. It's for like anti-corruption and stuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, never mind. We don't got that.
No, you got
yeah,
real
just-
corruption.
No.
Doxing people from PlayStation parties. We got that.
You actually didn't want to see that 260 react there, honestly.
That's
Yeah,
okay.
exactly.
That's okay. I think
yeah,
it's fine.
yeah. This
But
is
it's
just the
fine if you
retest.
want
We should have one leg more here if you want to go. I think. So
Yeah,
the
that's the
thing
thing,
I'm
though.
watching is 73 on ES here for
Yeah.
high probability high, which
it's
is
a-
10 points more, which should be the break above VWAP if we're gonna see the push here.
yeah.
But I kind of don't wanna.
Ooh.
Me paper handing, I kind of don't want to see this because I think it's high probability, and I feel so
Of course he
mad
doesn't.
at my execution there. Yeah. So, but actually, I was gonna trim at the highs. It just sold when I went to press the button, and I was
Are you
like,
still in any trade or no?
no. I got a good exit the last one.
Oh, nice.
That's good.
Yeah, but it was just one MNQ,
Yeah.
so it doesn't
But-
matter, you know.
but this
The
is
whole
like,
thread was useless.
but
Like
yeah,
36 points green.
That's the whole thing. I
40.
think yeah. I like to take profit at moves like this. I don't like to hold. Alex is a ton better at that.
No.
You're not going.
I
Fuck
think
that, I'm not
about
holding.
I think about the R. I took 0.91 R there, which is bad. I didn't
Oh,
take
okay.
positive. Because I want to have that in my baggage, because I don't really want to take anything less than 1 R for me myself, because I know
Yeah.
I can go down to 50% win rate over some months, and then it goes back up. I really like that area of being able
Yeah.
to clear that 50% win rate over
Right.
a year. Yeah. So that's for me. So I mean, he didn't push the candles
here's my
down
point
when
right
I.
here. Here's my point
Yeah.
right here. Like if you hold for such a move, you have to be able to be okay with it going back this much against you.
Yep. And that's the
And I'm
trading.
not okay
That's the
with
good
that.
trading.
And I'm not
Yeah,
okay with that.
Yeah. I don't think any of us are okay with that. We all want just to see the
Yeah, but
straight
that's
shooter.
why I
Yeah.
take profit at like double whatever. What was I gonna say? At the highs there. when it goes to the same high.
Yeah,
for a
yeah,
previous
it's
high.
nothing wrong. I mean,
Nothing
we
wrong
have
with it.
doing
Again,
higher
are you
highs.
fucking serious?
What?
I did it again. I closed my position when I was trying to trim. I was wondering why my profits weren't moving. I closed the position.
Mm.
Unfortunate. It's fine.
Actually, I think you need to learn how to use your platform. I think that's something you should.
No. I use TradeRate so long, and how
Yeah.
often do I fuck up? I promise you, I made more mistakes with more money than everyone here combined. I
Yeah,
am
it goes.
I
close.
would agree.
I'm way. Yeah, I think I'm up like. If we're
We have a
talking about
1 minute
not.
flag here.
Yeah,
Alright,
this
I'm
go-
still
this
in this.
looking
Yeah.
good. Yeah,
Yeah.
this looks good.
Yeah, very
I
nice.
still
Very nice. I
I
got
still
out.
like this dude. I would be careful on the 974 on ES here. I would take it there, but that would be a push about 280 here.
I think he's looking to see what's gonna happen. Yeah.
I like this
Or do
1
you
minute
have a
flag.
target? Do you have a target already, Alex, or are you just gonna wait to
300.
see?
I actually
see
I
what-
was
Yeah,
kind of
yes.
serious about that. 300
okay.
actually is a target
Yeah,
for me.
300. Yeah.
If you look on Alex chart, he has a flag pattern to 300.
Yep.
About
Yeah.
300.
Perfect at 300. Yeah.
Ah,
I'm gonna
okay,
flag
okay.
breakout.
I usually
300.
don't look at the charts. I don't have enough screens for this. Can someone donate so I can have more screens?
Well, Philip's
That's
the
joke.
closest one to you, so
Yeah, true.
I'm
True.
sure he wouldn't mind. Maybe you could just
Sadly,
go to his
I
house.
have zero money. I cannot. I just bought climbing shoes to my kids and bought PayPal, so I cannot do anything. Sorry, Alex. I gotta give it to you. Even if it rips 200%, I still gonna
I have
be
to
a
look
little
at
mean to you.
PayPal. Like, oh shit, yeah. Oh, holy.
It's earnings.
I haven't seen it.
It's
Holy
earnings.
Yeah.
shit.
Alex didn't, but I bought like 2 hours before the
Oh,
uh
like, oh
that dump.
shit. But like, what
The,
has happened with this stock? What has
it's
happened? Have has it like been through like a split a million times or
no. PayPal has Venmo. They actually have nice cash flow.
Yeah,
Eh,
but how did it
so
go from 300 to 40?
yeah,
What the
it was
fuck?
very expensive there. The CEO was useless
Yeah,
also.
that was
It's
Corona shit.
but
Oh.
the free cash flow is not bullshit. But you know, the problem is when you buy a value trap, you could say, or when it's
Yeah.
really nice value, it could just continue go down for months, and then it starts to buy
Right.
back up into real value.
Mhm.
So I mean,
So
structure.
can you pick up some PayPal here, you think, or is it stupid?
I mean, it's better than our PayPal pickup.
Yeah, better than our entry.
Yeah, but like,
20% better.
But do you still think the company is fine?
I think
Like,
the
it's
company is
okay?
fine overall.
All right. Okay.
I mean, a lot of people. I don't think their company is overall bad. Like, I think it's very, very popular, especially in at least for us. In this, I don't know about you guys, but
No, we have
Yeah,
Swish, bro.
but
We have
like, and
Swish.
they did. Oh no, I guess their earnings weren't great at all then, since it crashed.
No, but it
no,
wasn't that bad either.
yeah, their earnings
Oh,
are
it was.
fine.
Wasn't it?
It's
Yeah.
the same thing with
Okay.
Google's. Google's destroyed their earnings, but they somehow
Oh,
came
okay.
down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Earnings
Uh,
doesn't really matter, to be honest, in terms of price.
Yeah.
As long as the overall
Yeah,
company
yeah.
and guidance is good, I think that's all that matters.
It
But the
matters a lot
guidance,
about expectation, right?
Yep.
yeah. Forward thinking, but PayPal guidance was not that good. It's
Yeah.
the same with NVO. The
Okay.
guidance, the report was super solid, but the guidance was bad.
Hmm.
Yeah.
But so either you buy value trap or you buy value. That's
Yeah.
the hard part with that. So either you're gonna see very nice gains, so you're just gonna see it slowly going down, or like this case, PayPal sadly went a lot down from very cheap already. I mean, if you look at the parameters, I mean the technical standpoint from the uh, everything, the numbers, everything looks quite good except organic growth and so on. But I mean, if you take that and go against Visa or Mastercard or somewhere close, it's this is gonna go there.
Yeah.
Let's
looks
see.
good.
Let's
Faster.
see.
Yeah,
Pew
yeah.
pew.
1 minute flags
300?
breaking out. Had a nice
See if
little
it's
retest.
300. Are
It
you a
should go there.
billionaire if it hits 300?
I hope so. I might scale more
Sweet.
here, actually.
Sweet, sweet.
This is the high taken here.
Yeah.
The high got taken, yeah. That's not... Yeah, I did not like
Should
the
push here.
40-point retracement. No, I didn't like that at all.
Yeah, but look at the draw trend channel from the low to the low
Yeah,
rise.
yeah.
High low.
Like I see that,
Yeah,
but like
that's right.
it's I measure it in pain and time as well.
I'm out most. I have
Yeah.
2 left.
Oh. No.
You, if you
I'm-
if you take everything out there, you pretty much held for 12 points more or something like that.
20 points more.
Wait, what?
But
I
But
got
that's
a
also-
70 exit here.
yeah.
Oh wait, I'm on MNQ. Maybe it's different. Maybe it doesn't say.
No, but you need to calculate. He didn't get a top exit.
Yeah,
Oh,
earlier.
okay.
I got a
yeah,
50 exit
yeah.
earlier.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. No, I mean from like the top there.
Oh, from top. Yeah. Yeah, about 10 points more, roughly.
Yeah.
Wow,
But-
you did so good. I
But you still
I've
have
been-
something left, right?
2 left.
Yeah.
2 left. Okay.
Yeah, I'm back green on the day though, so that's all I really care
Sweet.
about.
Sweet.
If I got tagged for break even on this 1/3 that I was holding, I would have been like, I don't know, like 2 or 3 points red for today, which I'm okay with. But
Yeah.
oh,
holding
like
this
me,
longer, yeah.
I'm $2 red for the day
Yeah.
because
Bam,
I
bam.
did that so bad. Yeah.
Now
That-
it's
yeah,
30 points from the high there.
Yeah, but that was VWAP.
Yeah,
First,
view
the
up, yeah.
correct there. Yeah. That's why Alex scaled.
It's actually kind of a nice exit there. I actually probably could have taken
Yeah.
full
Oh yeah,
there.
I see it now.
Because this could still be technical sold on ES if you look at the pattern here. This could be a bear flag still.
Mm.
I have my stop at the low at 220 here for the last 2.
It's funny. I had a 260 short and then went the long with another account. So that was sweet.
No, you cannot go long and short. Be careful with
No,
that.
Yeah, they're gonna
but
flag
like
you.
I had one account on the short and I switched account to the long.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
They're gonna flag you.
But I have these evals I'm trying to just play with, you know? I have to get them passed
Yeah.
at some point.
I'm gonna get tagged here.
Yeah.
The flag is still
Alright, I'm out.
taken on ES. yeah.
Okay, we're done for the day. Thank
Yeah, good,
you. Nice recovery. I'll take it.
I am not
Man.
used. I'm
Holy
not used
cow.
to this. There are so many talking.
I know. this is-
Yeah, that's good though, because I always talk. Yeah, then I can
Yeah.
improve with my silence, and it's.
Yeah,
I
for
haven't
sure.
learned it yet in my adult life. So, yeah,
Oh,
my
that's too
mom
funny.
and my sister interrupts everyone and me also.
Oh my
and
god.
we are not. Yeah. So when we talk, like all of us, we all interrupt each other, and
Oh
we're
my
like,
god. No one
yeah.
is listening. Everyone is
Yeah.
just talking. right?
yeah, and we all are blue, like
Oh
like
my God.
good in math and stuff like that, and bad at that social part. But we
Oh.
all, yeah, we are social also. It actually lost the trend line here also slightly.
Not yet.
Interesting.
Not yet.
We
Not
went
yet.
back to our entry bet.
Oh, okay. On the CVD. Oh, yeah. This is the trend line on the TradeAway. No, it lost for me.
Nope, we're right at it.
Wait,
least the way I have it
show me
drawn.
how you draw. Did we draw it differently?
here.
That's not. Yeah, on QQQ. Yeah, but it.
Oh, we're starting
yeah.
to lose it a little bit.
Yeah,
I can
yeah,
still
yeah,
get ball on the
yeah.
close, but
Yeah.
we're
I'm only down a normal amount
Okay.
now. I'm at
So-
down
so-
700 viewer.
yeah.
Only down
I am
400,
watching the 1 minute, Alex.
mm-hmm.
On the 1 minute we lost it.
Oh,
But
and
yeah,
the
on
one
the
minute.
5 minute close. Yeah.
I'm on the 32nd. I started liking it a lot to see the structure and things about like in shorter term, like